Hello, and this is Vinayak from Lazy Gardener, and I'm going to talk to you about things you can grow right now during lockdown at home. You already have the seeds, you already have everything you need, and with just a little bit of effort, you can grow something from seed. And I love this because growing something from seed is one of the most satisfying things in gardening. Now, let's start. First of all, if we look at our kitchen, we have coriander seeds, we have fenugreek seeds, and we have mustard seeds, fenugreek or methi, right? So these seeds from our kitchen masala container can be grown into beautiful lush green herbs, and you can do that. You can also grow fenugreek and mustard seeds or rye in a microgreen manner. Just spread them out like I have done here. So these are this is fenugreek. Just lay down a layer of seeds, water it, and it will grow in 7 days, and cut it right there. It's a very nutritious, very healthy thing to have. Another thing you can do if you have a bit of wheat is to grow wheat grass. Wheat grass is very healthy. Again, it grows very fast. So that's another great thing to grow. What else I am doing is, how about growing some mint? Now this mint has been grown from mint cuttings. So this has been grown from mint cutting. I have a full video on this, but just take the cutting and put it in water. It will start developing roots, and then you can move it to a pot. And this is great because in summers, you can use this fresh mint that you have grown at home with all the cool drinks, and it will be amazing. But what else? Now let's move to vegetables. And most of the vegetables that we are having right now, they are great to start planting. Let's look at tomato. So this is a tomato. I've cut it, I've put the seeds out, and I started growing it. It has been just 7 days or so. It has already started sprouting. Along with tomato, I've been growing lemon and bitter gourd or Karela in this container. But otherwise, I've also been growing capsicum, chilies. Both of these also you can grow. You can grow garlic. Just take a slice of garlic or a bulb of garlic, whatever you say, and you put it in a pot. That's a great thing to grow. So you already have a large range of vegetables in your house, which you can grow from seed. So a couple of tips. Firstly, what I like to do is just start with a paper cup. Start with a paper cup and fill it with coco peat is my preference, but fill it with anything else. Make a hole at the bottom and put a napkin, fill it up, and then put some seeds and just keep it near a window or a warm dry place and keep watering it, keep it moist. Once it reaches something like this size, once the saplings reach this size, we are going to thin them out, so leaving only 1 or 2 saplings in this, and another 2 weeks from there we are going to then move it to a bigger pot. And these will get you actual vegetables over time. Obviously not during 7 days or 30 days, but over time they will actually, if you care for them, they will give you vegetables and fruits. So great, it is absolutely amazing right now, the best time to start. If you're looking for something that grows fast, I will recommend you methi. Put methi seeds, it germinates in 1 day. And if you want to grow methi as a vegetable and not as microgreens, put it out in a pot. Keep it moist, and you'll see very soon, in 2 weeks or so, you'll have some really good growth of methi. And if you're looking for something that is germinates very fast from a seed of vegetable, I would say tomato. Tomato is a very fast germinator. It's going to take time and care to actually develop into fruits. Lemon is another one which is really recommended, highly recommended. Though do take care, it is going to take about 1.5 years before it starts giving you fruits. But just the growth of the lemon plant is so beautiful, and the difference between the tomato plant and the lemon plant is, the lemon plant is going to stay with you for a long time. I mean, like for years and years to come. Tomato plant will last you I think a year. So these are some differences, and based on this you can choose your vegetable. I would ideally recommend you to plant as many as you can. This way you can see different vegetables grow. And I'll tell you some more things. If you have kids at home, couple of really great activities to do is to plant something in a water, in transparent water glass or a water bottle. Put onion on top or put a garlic on top, and this way the kids are able to appreciate the growth of the roots and see the shoot from the top and the roots below. And that's a great educational activity for kids for a couple of reasons. First, they realize how something is being created on its own by these vegetables that we consume, and secondly, they are able to appreciate how much of a root system a plant needs. In normal situations they just see the top, and in this case they are able to see below too. So these are my some tips if you are in lockdown, which I guess you are, and if you have some time, and these very basic vegetables. And you know the best thing about these vegetables, growing them, is you're going to throw the seed away anyways. You're not wasting anything right now. So when I'm going to use a lemon, I'm going to throw away the seed anyways. Instead of throwing it away, I'm going to now use the seed to grow something. And that brings me to one last tip, and that is, make sure your seeds are not damaged. Especially when you're taking it out of lemon or any place, if the seed is cut or hurt by a knife, it will not grow. So just try to make sure that they're not hurt, or just try to put more seeds. Thank you so much, and I hope that you implement this and you have a great kitchen garden. And if nothing else, it's going to keep you company during this lockdown time, and believe me, it's a great source of happiness and motivation. Thank you. Bye-bye.